What parts are you cleaning today?
Ribs.
They look alright, don't they?
Yeah.
Have you got that extrusion which goes round the side yet? No.
Not yet. No.
Have you found anybody to make it?
I'm not sure, to be honest. Might hold us up a bit. But these ones are alright. I've got two in there which are fine. Just need cleaning and rivets changing. And then three. All the others have got the extrusion on the side which needs sorted out.
Oh, good. I'll let you get on then, John. Thank you. What's this box you're making up the front, Keith?
One of the ones that support the tank.
Oh, yeah.
And attached to the bridge.
Yeah. Are they all original bits?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's good then.
I think on this one it's all original. One of the other ones I think is had a knackered bit on it. All ready to go with a boom.
Yeah. Really is a handy tool, that, isn't it, that compressor?
Yeah.
May the 17th is the last time I was here at East Kirkby, and I noticed on the transport former number 27 on the left hand side there was quite a gap
where we're looking
compared to the right hand side.
yeah.
Should that be butted together?
That's got to go slide. When they stretch that down, they pull that down, so
we had about a good 8 of an inch gap, didn't we? Yeah.
knock the rivets out, put it back in position, re-rivet it up, so that's where it should be now.
Good.
Got a few holes through the skin, so I'm just going to put that back on now, and then see the shape of it now.
Yeah. I see you've taken all the blue paper off.
With the exception of that's still with it, not quite finished.
Oh, it's a full sheet from the...
Just down to there, all the way down. Same as the other side, because that's got the same size skin on the other side.
Yeah, I'm with you now,
Around the door frame, there's two C-shaped skins that's got it sandwiched in between. So the original one was still in place on that side, so obviously to send to the door.
This is the web of the rear spar of the French wing, NX611. It's made of 3 sections, the 3 sections being riveted together. Also the angle brackets and stiffness have all been riveted on. It just shows you how thin a material the web is.
Fiddly getting back on again.
Yeah. Have you still got to drill the holes out to the correct size for the rivet?
Yeah, there was just need a clearance, final clearance when it's before.
It's just waiting for the booms.
Yeah. Have they been painted?
They're being painted today, I think.
I say it looks really good, a Lancaster main spar.
Strength is not in the material, it's in the construction.
Yeah, it is. This is a section of the inboard web of the front spar. Keith had to make this one to replace the original due to excessive corrosion. It's already painted and ready to be fitted to the rest of the web.
Get a few on the inside now.
Is Farmer 30 drilled as well?
Sorry? This?
Yes.
No, the holes have got to be pitched in there. There's a few in the top of the original hole.
Yes.
So then all this has got to be drilled off yet, but I'm waiting to make the double and triplet, sandwich them in before I drill it.
Yeah.
Because that could alter the hole position, so. Trim it down so that, trim that down so it follows the door frame quite nicely, and then there's still a gap in here, which is obviously for the double and triple skin to go in between, so that'll fit nicely next to it.
Tight?
Yeah, it's all, where I've trimmed it's all sitting nicely, so I'm happy with that.
So what's the next job now then? You've got to drill more holes in that?
I'll show you a bit here in between there. There's a 80 thou piece, and so it goes all the way up. And the top there it's like a C section, and it comes out to about here. Of the strength of the door, so I'm going to make one for that side.
And how deep does that come down to? About here?
It comes down to the right down to the bottom there.
Oh, it's quite a deep one. Good broad C-section.
Yeah, C-section, yeah.
So it kind of cuts off there, goes that way and then up.
And then, of course, this skin here sits in between the two, so there's another top skin to go over that, so that'll have to be replicated around there as well.
On that side, yeah.
And then once the thick skin and the thinner skin are in place under there, then I can drill through and finish all this bit off.
Now Dennis, you've got your jig up and running.
Yes.
You're taking all the skins off now, eh?
Everything's good, it's all coming apart.
Well, that should hold it in place. You should be able to get it back in the same
Hopefully.
spot.
We hope so.
Especially, you drilled into there as well.
Yeah, they bolted it into there.
Yeah.
When it all comes up, hopefully it'll go back as is.
What's the lining in these holes where the tube goes?
This is the bearing of the flap control tube.
Does it slide on?
Never really looked on them.
Because I mean, they slide that way, don't they? They don't spin round.
Looks like toughened or something.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. I've never really looked at it yet. It's obviously a block because them bolts are holding it in there.
That end rig, John, which was a box section, have you stripped that now?
Oh yeah, that's the new bits.
Oh, this all of it.
Yeah. This is rib 22 and its component parts. I've drilled some out. Are absolutely fine.
Rib 22 before dismantled.
They look good, but when you start drilling, you just twist the head off. It's all the brackets and everything. Hold it all together.
Yeah. You had a couple of pieces to make, didn't you? Renew.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
one.
Yeah.
Oh,
I know they get. I think Keith said the booms are getting painted or getting blasted.
Yeah,
today.
they're in the paint shop at the minute.
Yeah.
Bob set them all up, and we start painting them today.
Good.
Yeah.
There's the spar of a Lancaster. The way it weaves up and down.
Yes.
And these are all the other component. All these.
Yeah, that's all rig 22.
Yeah.
This is the main spar there.
With the new soda blaster, things are moving forward. One of the tanks have arrived for Thursday and Friday's Tank and Lank Day at East Kirkby. Bank holiday this year is on Thursday and Friday, which is the Queen's 70th anniversary to the throne. I've got my flags up at home.